In this video, I will show you how to get checklist template in Microsoft Word. So firstly, open the MS Word. Click on File and New. Suggested search is search checklist. Then press enter. Here guys, you will see a list of checklist. You can select which you like here and you can make changes like wellness checklist, festival checklist, job interview checklist, home business startup, work from home checklist, document to store. So here you will see different type of checklist. Social media checklist. So for example, if you like this home business startup checklist, select it, then click on create. Now make changes as your requirement, and then you can save it as a PDF. You can print, you can share and export this template. So modify and make changes, then file and save as and select PDF. And there are some other format you can select here. Also you can print it, press Ctrl P. So thanks for watching, and guys, comment on this video useful for you.